what other cool things do you have lying around? Now I'm curious. Do
I have
you
a
have any
couple
other
of,
projects that you can show us? Yeah.
yeah, of course. Let's see what's in this box of. I have a little box. So I made. Okay, it's not connected now, but this. Let's see. Um, yeah. So do you know the rhyme "Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar"?
Yeah.
Should show it this way, right? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So this is a game. This is a game prototype where you can play Who Stole the Cookie with a computer. Yeah, yeah, and it's like all done in variables, so you can press a button. So I stitched everything, and I think stitching these letters in a typewriter script is something I'm really proud of. Like it looks
Nice.
really nice. It says so.
Yeah.
So there's a little screen that's like yeah, it tells you like which. So you go like who stole the cookie, and then you guess a number by pressing
Mhm.
this button, and then
Ah.
if you and then it asks you, are you sure you want to accuse number 7, and you're like, yes, it's you, so you press this, and then if you get it wrong, it says no, then number 5 stole the cookie, and then you keep going until you get it right. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. So that's a fun little cookie game that I made. um, and then I have these fun little. I think I spoke about. I mean, I spoke about both the Internet of Towels project and this one in
Mhm.
in the Open Hardware Summit talk. But this is my crypto crochet key. So these are all crocheted keys, and they're all crocheted in like a yarn that's just multicolored. So every time you crochet this key, it ends up being a completely unique key. So it's kind of like a unique ID.
Yeah.
And I programmed like a machine learning model to recognize each key individually and created a smart home security system. Like, yeah. So you could, yeah, enter your house by like showing this key to the camera, and then it
That
recognizes it. And
is super cool.
thank you.
Wow. That is really fascinating.
I mean, it's
Just
not
like,
foolproof, but yeah.
yeah, I think that that is, I used to hand dye yarn a little bit, and when you hand dye stuff, like no two skeins are going to be
Yeah.
alike.
Yeah.
Um, even relatively solid ones.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of dyers, do all sorts of different patterns
Mm-hmm.
and speckles and stuff like that. And I think that that's a really cool application for like yarn that is already hand dyed and unique,
Yes.
and then using it to give you unique access to something that is really
Yes.
cool.
Thank you. Yeah, it was really fun to make because I mean, all you were making was like amigurumi plush toys, but then
Yeah.
you could be like, oh, I'm doing machine learning with it. Yeah.